Huawei is preparing for one of its biggest launches of the year, but the real surprise isn't a phone. It's a tablet built like a laptop, cooled like a PC, and spec'd like a flagship powerhouse. Meet the Huawei MatePad Edge, and you're about to see why it might redefine the two-in-one market. On November 25th, as the Mate 80 series and the Mate X7 foldable take the spotlight in China, Huawei is quietly slipping in a third contender. Sleek, powerful, and feature-packed, the MatePad Edge is shaping up to be one of Huawei's boldest tablet experiments yet. At first glance, it's a clean, minimalist slate running HarmonyOS. But look closer. Huawei is introducing a full pop-out stand built directly into the back. Pair that with a detachable keyboard, and suddenly, the Edge transforms from a tablet into a full workstation. A circular dual-camera module adds a distinct design flourish, while memory options climb higher than most laptops, up to 32 gigabytes of RAM and a staggering 2 terabytes of storage. Huawei has already listed the tablet on its official Vmall store, with pre-orders now open. Buyers can choose from 4 configurations: 16 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes, 24 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, and the flagship 32 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. Color choices stay elegant and understated: moonlight silver and space gray. According to early leaks, the MatePad Edge will feature a 14.2-inch display, large, immersive, and available with an optional anti-glare finish for outdoor or studio environments. Powering it is Huawei's Kirin 9 PC-class chipset, pushing the Edge closer to laptop-grade performance. And here's the real curveball: an integrated active cooling fan. Yes, a cooling fan inside a tablet. An unusual choice, but one that hints at serious performance potential. But the magic of two-in-one devices is in the accessories, and Huawei isn't holding back. The MatePad Edge keyboard includes a built-in 65-watt fast-charging port, letting you charge the tablet directly through the accessory. Keys offer 1.8 millimeters of travel for a more comfortable typing experience, and the pressure-sensitive trackpad promises precise input for both work and creative tasks. All of this makes one thing clear: Huawei isn't just releasing a tablet, it's creating a hybrid machine designed for professionals, students, creators, and anyone ready to step beyond the limits of conventional slates. The MatePad Edge blends smartphone-style elegance with laptop-level configuration options backed by HarmonyOS and Huawei's expanding ecosystem. And with its unique cooling system and workstation-ready accessories, it may be one of the most ambitious tablets the company has ever built. November 25th is shaping up to be a massive day for Huawei. Phones, foldables, and now a tablet aiming to push the edge of what's possible. Stay tuned. The future of two-in-one computing might just be around the corner.